In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called Coffein Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer, not sponsored by the way. When your app is ready, it's time to launch it, and hit OK in Welcome pop-up to continue. Now tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and go into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then hit Edit at the bottom, and scroll all the way down to look for Coffein shortcut. Once you find it, you need to add it thanks to this plus at the top right corner. Swipe up, hold it and place it wherever you want to. Then let go and click on this checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, my shortcut is here. So now when I click on it, I need to tap on gray switcher next to allow modifying system settings for it to work. Then go back into Tap menu and tap on it again, this time to activate it. You can turn it off the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!